It's a waning Gibbons moon tonight. It's a pretty moon. I want to see if it does what it does sometimes. Well, let's go see if we see. Okay, it's dusk. And there's my main man. He's out here early. You guys see where he is? Where I showed you the daylight video right before this. He's out back. Where'd he go? There he is. Where the fuck is he? There he is. The first UFO of the night, Friday, October 28th. This guy's out early. Hey, these guys don't even care anymore. I'm gonna walk closer, so it's gonna get shaky. Sorry, guys. But look, he don't even care. And then look at this. This is the government coming in. That's one government. And then there's one right behind them. This is at dusk. They're all here at dusk. They don't even wait for the sun to go down. See, he's right there. And there's the other one. They're coming right at this guy. This is the UFO. And they got the... See, now he's getting nervous. I bet he turns invisible. That is a UFO. And this is the government coming after him. This guy's flashing his lights now. See him? Now he's going into flashing mode. He's going around the UFO. UFO is right here. Isn't that crazy? I just come out, it's dusk, and then here's the other one that's still hanging back. That's fake. That's a freaking fake invisible move by the government. They're getting good at it, though. They're pretending to be like the UFOs. Yep. You hear that? The geese don't like it either. They hear it. Where'd everybody go? Where'd the UFO go? UFO went invisible on me when I turned around. That's crazy. I can't find him anymore. Even though he's right in front of me. He should be right there. I can't see him anymore. Pause. Government drone right here. He's still over the lake. See that? They figured out how to kind of go invisible, but they can't all the way. They gotta be flashing. He's right over the lake. Look, this is what he's over. That, and then there he is. That's not a UFO. Not UFO. That's government drone. And he's going to look at this guy, which went... Oh, there he is. There's my UFO. UFO. Look at that. See how he goes invisible? You see that? It's because the government drone was coming too quickly. You guys saw that with your own eyes. I didn't do anything. It's because the government drone's right underneath him. See him right there? That's the government drone flashing. That's the government drone right there, not the UFO. He's going away. He'll come around my house. See, now the UFO came back. See, there he is. You guys saw that with your own eyes. Okay. Woo! Look at him. He's going in and out of invisibility like it's nobody's business. Look how he blends in with that cloud. This is in daytime and he's going invisible. This is a hell of a video. I still see him. That's him in the middle. You guys see him? It's the circle in the middle. That circle right there. He blends in with that cloud. At nighttime, we'd be able to see the circle better. But he's right there. Right in the middle of the camera is him. He's holding it for a long time, too. Let me pause. And so here I am just smoking a cigarette. And then there's a fucking drone just Just hovering around my house, around the front yard. That's a drone. It's not a UFO. You know, I'm just sitting here, having a cigarette after dinner. You see that? That's a government drone. They come from the lake, and they come around my fucking house. And then they go around it. At least they try to go around it. He's behind the trees now. Oh, you get him down at the bottom of the tree. Now he's behind the tree. He'll come out over here, though. I'll pause it. Watch. There he is. Comes out from the other side of the tree now. They just circle my fucking house, man. They're looking at the UFOs that I look at. I discovered them. I told them about these guys. So anyways, that's a government drone circling my house as I do all night long. I'm just sitting here having a cigarette out front now this time. I showed you video of them coming up the lake earlier. I'm connecting that video to this one. So anyways, that's it. Boring. They don't even care to tell me that they're coming around, you know? You hear that up there? Not the